Hi friends, very good morning. Welcome to my daily study vlog. In this everyday I'll be sharing with you some hacks which can help you to crack the UPSC examination. So today I'm going to show you how you can use the PYQ while you are studying the standard books like NCERT or Lakshmikant, how you have to integrate the PYQs. Many students use PYQ but they do not use to the optimal use. Today I'm going to show you how. So just now I'm going to show you one question which appeared in 2015 UPSC prelims paper, and then I'm going to trace that question to the NCERTs, and then I'm going to show you how in future other aspects of NCERTs can be asked taking motivation from this question. So let me just show you. So I'm just going to rotate my camera. You can, okay, so can you see this question? Okay, question number 48. You can see that consider the following statements. The first women president of Indian National Congress was Sarojini Naidu, and the first Muslim president of the Indian National Congress was Badruddin Tayyibji. Okay, so this was the question which came in the UPSC prelims examination 2015. Okay, so just from where this question had come, so just give me 1 minute. Okay, just give me 1 minute. So this is the NCERT book. Okay, this is the NCERT book. Okay, so this is the NCERT book, guys. Our past, okay, our past, I think it's class 10th NCERT or 9th NCERT book. Okay, our past 2. And in that you can see this Sarojini Naidu with Mahatma Gandhi, Paris 1931. Active in the national movement since early 1920s, Naidu was significant leader of the Dandi March. She was the first Indian women president. You see here the word they are using is Indian women president. So she was not the first women president. First women president was Annie Besant. Okay, she was the first Indian women president. Okay, so that statement was incorrect. You see how UPSC is targeting the figures, the photographs, the boxes, and they are forming questions. Okay, I'm just going to show you, just be here. I'm going to just show you the other statement. Okay, the Tayyibji question is also, the statement is also made from the NCERT. I'll go to the page number 148. I think in page number 148 it's okay written there. I'll just show you 1 second. Just give me 1 minute. Just 1 second. So you see, you can see this photograph, you can see this box, you can see this Badruddin Tayyibji addressed the Congress as the president in 1887. Guys, okay, so obviously he was the first Muslim, okay, to be the president of Indian National Congress. Okay, so now you can see both the questions was framed from the new NCERT and both the questions were from the boxes of the new NCERTs. That is why I say that whenever you read NCERTs, you have on the boxes, you have to focus on the boxes. So now what can be the next question in the UPSC? So I was reading the old NCERT, Modern India, and I found out this. Just let me show you this. So let me show you this. You can see this okay, this chapter old NCERT, okay, class 8 Indian nationalism. You can see this rise of Indian nationalism, and you can see this formation of Congress I was reading, and you can see this here also Badruddin Tayyibji, the president of the Madras session of 1887 was mentioned. His photograph was also given, and here you can see here it has also mentioned the Englishman who became the president of Congress. George Yule was the first Englishman to become the president of Congress, and other Englishmen to become the president of Congress was William Wedenberg, Alfred Webb, and Henry Cotton. Okay, so these were the Englishmen. Okay, so Englishmen, they can ask you a question like this. Okay, who was the first Englishman to become the president of Congress? Or they will give you the names of all the Englishmen who were the president of Congress, and they can frame one question. So you can see the theme here is what? President of Congress, Indian National Congress, and related to that they can frame different types of questions. So they have already asked first women president, they have already asked first Muslim president, so they can next time they can ask what? They can ask the first English president. Okay, so guys, how you have to prepare. Guys, if you like this daily study vlog, okay, so and if you want me to make like this, so what I will do is that whenever I'm reading every day something I come across, I would like to share with you, but only if it helped you. Okay, only if it helped you. So please do, okay, like the video and do share your comments, And if you want me to make this regular video, please, in the comment box, please tell me, and go and see this chapters, and you can see the question also, and you can see for yourself how we have in Lakshya. Okay, in Lakshya test I have framed the question like this. Okay, I given the names of the English men, and I have said that how many of them were the Englishmen who were the president of Indian National Congress. Or they can ask you, they can give you the name and who was the first English president of the Indian National Congress. So thank you guys, bye bye, take care.